Which part of hashtag FinSov is more important? Fin or Sov? The financial part or the sovereignty part? And I also added in there, what's FinSov? 48% of people don't know what financial sovereignty means. So one, can you define what financial sovereignty means to you? And two, do you think the financial part or the sovereignty part is more important of that equation?
Well, this is something, just so you guys know, a company discussed for a while, and Jeb was the one who kind of, I think, was the creator and conjurer of the term financial sovereignty.
I realized it on stream, actually, like a month and a half ago.
The whole thing is, what it kind of birthed out of was financial freedom. And how many of you guys have heard that term, financial freedom? Everybody, you know? And the whole thing is that, just like a lot of other good terms, because financial freedom is a great term, it's kind of been diluted and it's kind of been taken for granted, and people have changed what it really means to them. So we're like, how do we take the same mindset of financial freedom? How do we rebirth this idea to be pure and to get it back to what we originally wanted? Financial sovereignty is the concept of having power over your money, not your money having power over you. It does not mean massive wealth. It does not mean financial prosperity. It means control. So whether you have $500 or whether you have $10 billion, if you do not have control of your money, but your money has control over you, you are not living in a financially sovereign state of life. For example, if I'm trading and making millions of dollars every single day, but my eyes are glued to the computer and my anxiety is constantly going up and down because of my worried about what's happening on the charts, even though I have a lot of money in my bank account, I am a slave to my finances. That is not financial sovereignty. But when I can look and say, you know what, here's a great time to buy, here's a good time to sell. You know what, I didn't call that right, but you know what, it's okay, because I've set myself up financially to be in control, and I can take some days off, and I can go many days without looking at the charts, and I can go on vacation and not have to worry about, am I gonna pay my bills? That's my control over my money. That's me saying, money, you serve me, I don't serve you. And so when we talk about financial sovereignty, that's what we're talking about. If that's something you love, hit that subscribe button. The other side of that, which one's more important, finance or sovereignty? And in my opinion, it's sovereignty, because it would be awesome. Our first goal for all of you is to begin to have financial sovereignty, because I think that'll unlock the doors for you to have sovereignty over everything else in your life. Relationally, have sovereignty over the people in your life. How many people have to keep toxic people in their life because of a fear, if I get rid of these people, then I'm gonna go down the tubes?
Yeah, like a boss or something like that.
Exactly.
You know, you're stuck with it.
So it's hey, when I have the financial keys to my world figured out, now I can control who's in my circle. Can I remove toxic people? Can I keep the people that I need? I have physical sovereignty. I have control over my health, over my wellness. It's not like I'm driven. Like, I've seen people who might have a six-pack abs and they're in the gym 20 hours a day, and it's like, that's not sovereignty. Your anxiety is, if I don't go to the gym, I'm gonna get fat. And it's like, that's not sovereignty. But the first key is, when you have control over your finances, watch it bleed into everything else. Physical, relational, spiritual, every other way. There's something about money that when you can get control of money and you're the master of it, now you can actually unlock the rest of your life having complete sovereignty.
Tim, how much does the Bible talk about money?
A lot. It actually talks about it's funny, most people don't know that. The Bible talks about money more than almost any other concept.
Yep.
So,
why do you think that is?
Because of what I just said. I think whenever people say that God hates money, or that people kind of misquote verses and say that, oh, money is the root of all evil. No, the love of money, or well, we could even put it in context, the serving of money, the desire to cheat people,
idolatry of money,
to put it above everything else in life, that leads to evil. But there were several wealthy people in the Bible, and God never discouraged that at one point.
Nope.
Hey, you made it to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, you should definitely consider subscribing, because we're trying to help you become financially free in these cryptocurrency markets. And also, consider following us on Twitter @CryptoJeb for more updates on the price of Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Peace.